I checked out for my documentary.
Oh, is this that pirate man thing you were going on about in class?
Sailor Man.
They are, aware of the charming stories circulating about this place.
I don't believe in ghost stories.
He's not a ghost. Sailor Man is real. And he doesn't take kindly to visitors stopping at his doorstep.
Looks like he was a real sailor.
Do you know why the factory closed down 20 years ago? There was a spinach contamination.